Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Makeup Mandy. If you are new here, please like and subscribe. So, happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. So today I just wanted to do a real quick how I do my eyebrows tutorial. So, my daily eyebrow routine. So first, I did all my makeup already, but let me get all those little flyaways out of the way. Yes. Then I use this angled eyeliner brush actually because it's just got a nice crisp end there. Some Anastasia. I already draw my end first. I kind of draw like a little, almost like an arrow. Ding, ding. Just keep slowly moving out till everything's perfect. And then just try to brush it out a little bit. Perfect. Not too bad. We got a nice little crisp line there. I usually do my eyebrows first, but thought I'd do it last so I can give you guys a tutorial. And then don't mind my nappy braids that I've had for 2 days, and you guys know why. So, nappy braids, ugh. Let's take them out and see what they look like, huh? Ladies, do you see this? Yes, yes, Lord. My little hummingbird and my bees and my rose. I really love my sunflower. I worked really hard. And this one's for my mama. Yes. I'm so excited.